Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up subtask automations in ClickUp. This is an incredibly powerful feature that allows you to automatically create and manage subtasks based on specific triggers, saving you tons of time on repetitive project management tasks. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main ClickUp dashboard where you can access all your workspaces and projects. Now, on your panel, find and click on Spaces to open up your spaces. Spaces are where you organize your different projects and workflows in ClickUp. Click on the specific space where you want to set up this automation, then go ahead and add a new task. This task will serve as the parent task for the subtasks we're about to automate. Once your task is created, look at the top of the screen and find the thunder icon or symbol. This is ClickUp's automation hub. Click on it and then select Create Automation. This opens up the Automation Builder where you'll configure your workflow. In the Automation Builder, you'll see a section labeled Trigger. Make sure it's set to Task or Subtasks, as this determines what type of items will activate your automation. Next, change it to Status Changes. In the From field, select any status, and in the Tub field, choose Active. This means whenever a task moves to active status, your automation will kick in. Now let's set up the actions. Under the Action section, select Change Due Date. Below that, choose Days After Trigger Date, then insert how many days you want. This automatically sets a deadline based on when the status changed. Click the plus icon to add another action, change this one to Change Assignee, then select a user from your team. This ensures the right person is automatically assigned to handle the task. Click the plus icon again and change it to Create a Subtask. This is where the real magic happens. Select the parent task, which is the task we created earlier. Now enter a subtask name that clearly describes what needs to be done. Set the status to Do, then enter a description that provides context for whoever will be working on it. Next, input the priority of the subtask. This helps your team understand how urgent this particular item is. Enter a due date for it, like Days After Trigger Date, then input the number of days. For the start date, you can make it on trigger date, so work can begin immediately. Finally, input a tag to categorize the subtask, select the assignees who should be responsible for it, and add a relationship type like waiting on, if this subtask depends on something else being completed first. Once you've configured everything, click Create to activate your automation. Your ClickUp workspace will now automatically generate subtasks with all these specifications whenever the trigger conditions are met, streamlining your workflow significantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.